And hello guys from Angeles City, Pampanga, the Philippines. So I had one subscriber that said he wants to go to Cosplay. So Cosplay is like a Korean bar. It has like 24 ladies on stage on each side, so they're rotating. The drinks here are 150 pesos for a beer, 150 pesos for gin tonic, for whatever you want. And if you want to take one lady out, it's like from 3.5 ST to 4,000 LT. So the prices are pretty okay. Yeah, from 6 to 7 I would say, the quality of ladies, but nice. They are not wearing costumes, so if you think this will be like some costume wearing party, no, it's not. And yeah, the clientele is mostly Korean and Japanese. I was the only white guy there. But I did it for this Polish guy, so yeah, it's worth visiting. Yeah, it's worth visiting. And welcome to the streets of Angeles City. Should I say Red Street or Walking Street? She is walking. Is she red? No, she's blue. Yep, it's no longer just about walking. Now it's about neon Pampanga. The Little Korea, should we call it. In this video, your favorite budget traveler, that's me, will dive deep into what makes Angeles City, notorious street, so special. Spoiler alert, it's not the sidewalks. Along the way, we bump into the usual cast of characters, like regular guy, still pretty regular, Ace Bachelor Cool, or should we call him Ace Bachelor Fool for his latest dating tips, and legends like It's My Life Philippines, Honey Bunny PH, and Chubs Dubs, who probably already editing another 12 hours live stream while eating sisig. But wait, it gets even crazier. Rumor has it that Elon Musk wanted to build a Tesla bar there. Trump and Melania almost opened a casino. And famous Filipino teleseries star was spotted buying a balut at 3 a.m. only in Angeles City. If you're an expat, traveler, or just curious about Filipino nightlife, food and culture, with a dash of comedy, this guide will give you the unfiltered scoop. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild tricycle ride. While in the city, be sure to visit Megadance Center. It's a disco just at the beginning of Red Street. Who knows what you might find there? A love of your life, or a night adventure. But be sure to make a Crocodile Dundee check in either case before you head to your hotel room. You know what I mean, guys. Lady boys, lady boys, lady boys. Be careful, guys, be careful. And if you're not careful, you could be just like this guy, caught by a Filipina. And look who's here. It's Mr. Honeybuns, wishing he could catch the dancer on the stage. And we're back on the hustling streets of Angeles City that never sleep. Crazy foreigners doing their crazy dances and much, much more. Time to head down to Philly's Bar and Grill to have a brewski late night. And of course to see if there are any cookies out there waiting to be picked up. And yeah, there are. I can see 2 at least. Let's go talk to them. It's Expat. Oh, this is Angelina.
No, Ashley. What's your name?
Angelina.
Ashley.
Angelina.
Ashley.
Angelina. Is a girly bar or casino? Girly bar. Okay, so I'll check the casino girly bar, and yeah, after I check it, I'll tell you the prices and everything. Okay, take care, guys. So, the review of casino bar. It's not a casino. It's a bar. It's a girly bar, owned by Japanese or Koreans. I don't know. They look the same to me. So. One drink here costs 120 pesos, and you have like 30 girls that are rotating around the bar, and lady drinks here is 350, and if you want to take a girl out is 3,500 ST. Long time is 4,500. So yeah, typical Korean and Japanese bar. For those of you who said I'm afraid to go to Korean bars and blah blah blah, you got it here. Yeah. So we are continuing my walk down this walking street in Angeles City. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.